So let us understand what exactly is row level security. So let us assume that you have a data set which has got multiple roles, okay? And let's say you want to restrict the access of the data set, and only based upon the role you want to provide the access. Okay, for example, let's say you have a data, sales data, let's say, and that sales data, let's say, belongs to four different regions: east, west, south, and north. And let's say you want to provide the access of east region only to the managers who belongs to the east region, right? So based on that, based on those regions, you can provide the roles, so that let's say I belong to east region, I should be able to see the data that only belongs to east region. I cannot see other regions data. That's how row level security works. Obviously the purpose, I mean, even from the name itself you understand the purpose is that you restrict the access based on the rows by providing the roles and by providing the conditions. How do we exactly do that? That we will get into. But until now, you must have got an idea what exactly is row level security. So basically, it will act as a guard who will only allow authorized people to access the data, right, and not others. So that's how it would work. Now, until this point, I have given you the theoretical or the basic definition. Uh, from here onwards, only those people who wants to see how does it happen exactly, they can watch, others can leave, not a problem. So let's do this quickly. So let's do this quickly using Power BI. I've got a very simple data set to show you all. If you have a look at this data set, this has got just four rows: east, west, north, south, whatever it is, right? East, west. So these regions are there, okay? We have got the names of the sales manager and we have got the sales amount. Now let's say what I want to do is I want to create a role based on this east region access and provide the access only based on that role. How can I do that? Like I said, let's do one thing. So first of all, what I will do, I'll go to the modeling tab and click on the manage roles option. Then click on this create button. Let's say I provide the east manager role. Let's say I've created this new role, and then what I need to do is I need to provide the region. What is the region? So I region is equal to east. So what happens? East manager role, the people who has got this particular role will be able to access only the data that belongs to east region. So I'll click on the save button. Now I have done what I had to do. The next thing that I want to do is, let's say I will quickly create a table to show you all. So I'll drag this table and let us add all the three columns: sales and sales manager. Now I will quickly make this a little bigger so that you see this. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll quickly make this 12 or 13, or column headers also, let's make it 13 so that it looks better. Now we have created a new role for this particular region, east region. So what I will do, I will try to login as a user who belongs to the east region. How do I do that? For that, all you need to do is go to this modeling ribbon and click on this view as option. Okay, now within this region, what is the role that I belong to? Let's say I belong to the east manager role, so I will click on this east manager role option, click OK. The moment I click OK, I'll become the user who belongs to this particular role. I'll click OK, and the view, as you can see, now we can see only the data that belongs to east region. There is no other data, and as we can see, this is basically the view has been created in Power BI desktop. That's how it works. Now if you publish this report, the same thing would reflect in the Power BI service. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much.